For years now, developers have been using AI very differently than the normal person or non-developers. So we use it in a thing called a terminal and in an IDE. And the problem is that stuff's really scary. While you can use it, you can access files on your computer. You can run multiple agents. It's a very different experience than just the normal chat interfaces that most people are used to. So that just means that normal people like my mom have no idea what I do when I say I'm running stuff on AI because all they're used to is a chat GPT interface. The good thing is that Anthropic yesterday released something called Claude Cowork. And now you can have a normal chat interface that lets you have the powers of working in an IDE and in a terminal. So let me show you what I mean. This is a normal chat interface. It's friendly, it's nice. My mom knows what this is and she can work it. She would call this Chat GPT because she calls everything Chat GPT. This is a terminal. When I show this to my mom or just a normal person, their face melts and they think there's no way I will ever use something like this. Even though it's relatively easy, or you might think it's easy if you use these, to normal people, this just looks like a spaceship cockpit and their brain shuts down and they stop. So now with a chat interface like Claude Cowork, they have the powers to use like I have in the terminal. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. Here, I can connect this to my desktop. So this is embarrassing, but I have 762 files of screenshots on my computer. I didn't count these individually. I had Claude Cowork go in and access my desktop and count these for me. So now I can have Claude Cowork go in and delete everything from 2023 back to 2018. And I don't have to do that through the terminal. So a normal person come in here and chat and just say, okay, erase everything between, 2023 and 2018, and it'll go erase that stuff. It becomes even more powerful when you compare it with stuff. So I have a instance here where I asked Claude Cowork to sync up with their other tool, which is Claude Code, which allows Claude to see the internet. So here I asked it to go out and look at my X account and do a search to see what people are saying about Claude Cowork. And one of the cool things it found is that the Anthropic team actually built this in a week and a half using Claude Code itself, which is super fast to build a product like this. A year ago, you could never imagine doing something like this, but it did. And I did that all through Claude Cowork, not on my terminal. I did it with Claude Cowork paired with Claude and Chrome, and you can get those tools here. All you need to do to start using this is go to claude.com/download Claude and get the desktop version. This has to be on your desktop. You can't use it on the web yet. And when you log in, it's very simple. It'll just be your desktop. It'll look like what I was just showing you, and you click Claude Cowork, and now you have access to everything on your desktop. If you want to connect this to Claude in Chrome, where it can see all of your web pages and go do stuff for you like search Airbnb or look through your X account, go to the Chrome store and just look up Claude there and add to your browser. This just came out yesterday, so I'm going to be experimenting with it a lot today. If you've watched this channel before, you can already guess that I'm probably going to be using this in the Conductor Framework, which is just an agent operating system that makes it way easier for you to build code. And you can go get that at testinprod.co and use it yourself. But I'm going to be testing it out with the Conductor Framework, and I'm going to hook it up to my Obsidian folder and see how it works while I'm working with a note-taking tool like Obsidian. But that's all for today. I'll play around with this a little more, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.